Hey guys, this is Weather, or also known Weather Events. My name is Aiden Kinzer, and today on this two-part pilot episode, we will talk about some lesser-known weather events throughout U.S. history. This episode will be for eastern Utah, western Colorado. Many people think that tornadoes don't happen in the mountains, but this is not true. In fact, some of the highest tornadoes have happened in the mountains. One famous example is the 2012 Mount Evans tornado. That happened at about 12,000 feet. Let's get into some lesser known examples, shall we? The first one I want to talk about actually happened not that far from me in Doctor, Colorado on September 11th, 2002. The tornado touched down in Escalante Canyon and moved northeast into the north side of Delta and moved across Highway 50 onto West Wind's Airport subdivision, where it hit a house and did some minor damage. The tornado was rated F1, according to the Storm Events database. The tornado traveled north-northeast across mostly open country and was observed by numerous people in Delta County. The next tornado happened very recently on May 29th, 2021, near the summit of Purple Mountain, north of Crescent Butte. According to the National Weather Service in Grand Junction, a landslide tornado briefly touched down in the West Alps Mountains near the summit of Purple Mountain, west central Colorado. This tornado happened about 12,600 feet, so it could be the highest elevation tornado in the United States. Here is one more tornado for western Colorado before I go on to eastern Utah. On October 4th, 2004, a tornado touched down south of Durango and did F1 damage. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for that cell that said. Then they issued a severe weather statement saying,
At 12:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a rotating funnel cloud near Durango. Doppler radar showed this tornadic storm moving northeast at 5 miles per hour.
Here's an eastern Utah tornado for you all.
At 12:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained storm spotters were tracking a dangerous tornado. This tornadic storm located near Durango, 1 mile south of intersection of Highway 550 and 160, and moving northeast at 5 miles per hour.
On June 6, 2005, in Mexican Hat, Utah, a rare supercell tornado touched down in a remote area and was seen and photographed by numerous people and was seen as far as 25 miles away. The National Weather Service in Grand Junction did issue a tornado warning and mentioned tornado in some severe thunderstorm warnings, but I was unable to find a confirmed tag on a warning. On June 20th, 1975, a small tornado moving northeast or east-northeast touched down briefly in Redstone. When it crossed the Crystal River, water was lifted about 20 feet in the air. This tornado did $25,000 and was rated an F2. This is it for episode 1. Next episode, we will focus on the rest of the United States and some well-known events. This is Aiden Kinzer, and until next time, enjoy nature.